What's up, everyone? I just figured I'd come on here and give a little more information. I noticed only in the last week and a half or so that I've been in the Genius Trading Group and in the inner circle and learning all the content Raphael's teaching. I've noticed there's a lot of people joining. And so I just want to give some feedback from when I joined. I know I created a previous video as one of the winners getting into the course. I was always interested. It looked good. It's from the group, and all the Raphael's content and information into the free Telegram group. I actually made about $50 in the free chats. So this is something that I was looking to do. A little my story. About 3 years ago now, I was introduced to Forex. I didn't know what it was. It was a network marketing company that I joined to teach very basics on foreign exchange. And although that was good, there just wasn't enough. I mean, we're at about a year and a half in, following alerts and making money, losing money, just not really realizing what the heck I'm doing. The one thing that this course actually teaches you is how to trade for yourself, how to be an independent trader, how to figure it out for yourself. And I can tell you that through the experience, through the back testing, through the demo accounts, practicing and figuring it out if you're right or wrong, it really gets you to start seeing, wow, like this is possible. 2.5 years, I didn't make any money. I actually lost a bunch of money. And there got to a point where I was almost done with it. And then I threw in another $500 and I burned it. And I said, you know what, this is my last chance. And before I funded my account, I got in. Raphael paid me $100, turned the $100 into $200. And I'm well on my way to turning that $200 into $500 by the end of the month, and that $500 to $1,000 the following month. And you can see how that is able to scale more and more and more. Think about it: $30 a day. That's $150 a week. That's about $600 a month. What can you get? What bills can you pay for $600 a month? Could go towards your rent, could go towards your car, could go to your student loans, whatever the case is. In an era like this where not many people are working and everyone's getting laid off because jobs aren't open, what else are you doing with your time, right? This is an opportunity to learn a skill, a lifelong skill. This is an opportunity to get involved, to risk a little bit. You don't have to risk a lot, but open a trial account, practice, and be real with your trial account. I've seen some people out there that are opening up trial accounts and throwing money left, right, and center, and then they open up a real account. It's very different. Mindset's very different. The confidence is very different when you're trading with a real account versus a trial account. Start small. That's my recommendation. Don't gamble. Stay consistent. You're going to hear Raphael say it in the course 100 times. It clicks. A week and a half later, you see it. $30 a day. It's easy to do. 3 trades. That's all I place a day. Make my $30. Call it a day. I'm okay with that. That is my goal, right? What is your goal? Start with a $1,000 account, $10,000 account. What do you have to spare? What are you willing to lose? That is what you need to ask yourself. All right. What are you willing to lose when you invest? And if you're only willing to lose $100, then invest $100. That's all. All right. I do this because my wife got laid off. She's not working. I need to support my 2 young children. And I'm trying to find ways that I can make money. You know what? In a couple of months, I'll be making over $2,000 a month. That goes a long way for me. All right? $2,000 a month, do the math, right? How much money are we making? That's paying off my mortgage. Easy as that. Okay? Stick to it. Be consistent. For those of you that just entered the chat or the channel, go through the content once, twice, 3 times. Practice, practice, practice. I know you all want to make money right away, but start slow, right? Making any type of money is better than losing any type of money, all right? Don't gamble. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 at the most, all right? Stay consistent, practice, 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 and you will get there. I'm starting to see it, and by far, every day I go through the content, and every day I re-go through the content, I'm learning something new, Practice, practice, practice. You end up learning, you end up seeing better, and you'll be able to do it. Raphael, thank you so much for putting this together. I know you have tens of thousands of people that probably are messaging you. You have a life yourself, but you are changing lives one person at a time with this course. And I recommend anybody to just invest in yourself, spend the $500, $400, whatever it is to get into this course right now, because you know what? It's not going to be this price forever. I could see this being worth well over $2,000 to get what Raphael is teaching you. And guess what? It's a one-time fee. It ain't monthly fees like a lot of the network marketing companies that do the same shit. Got it? Stay consistent, stay safe, stay home. Let's get through this coronavirus era. Let's get out of this recession. Let's start making money, because you know what? When everything's tanking, money's to be made. Take care, enjoy, have a great week. We'll see you on the other side.